I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it. I want it.
Oh, LaCroix. Juice boxes. I just need to buy some actual juice. Some cold brew.
And we can put this stuff in smoothies.
Ready to drink cold brew coffee. $1.79 a can. Flowers. That's pretty. Okay, we need 2 of these. Need 1 of these. We need 1 of these. 1 of these. Wait, these are $1.89. These.
Smoothies, right?
Yeah. No, the frozen ones are cheaper.
Okay.
Mango.
I feel like
That's pineapple.
frozen ones would be cheaper.
We can look at it. We can look and see. For a pound. We can
I don't know if that's
get it frozen.
Alright, yeah, we'll get frozen.
Cucumber,
Right.
cauliflower, $1.99.
Carrots.
Carrots,
Big ones? Or good?
99 cents.
Okay.
Mushrooms, $1.69. Baby carrots, 89 cents. 2 pounds for $1. 1 pound for 89 cents. Yeah,
How many? One?
just 1 because I don't like that kind.
Alright.
Get the spring mix,
Should we get
spinach. Yep. That one. $1.99. This, I love this. These chopped salad kits are really good.
What salads?
Yeah.
These would be nice to like just chuck in a lunchbox. for
Yeah.
school.
Yeah. But you spend $2.50 on a school lunch, and this is $2.89 for just a salad.
Except that's good and healthy.
Yeah.
And pizza is not healthy at school.
Yeah. School pizza is not healthy. Look at that, organic, $3.69. Whew, that's expensive. We'll grab some avocados. Oh, that one looks a little over. These are overripe. We can make guacamole tonight. We need 1 of these. And grab some bananas. Just grab one. They're all ripe.
How about no?
I'm just like, this looks good. Sweet apple wine for $3.50. There's a lot of sugar in this. Will you eat this?
Yeah, I love applesauce.
But you don't like apples because of the texture.
Yeah,
Right?
what
Okay.
about
You can eat that, but I can't.
that? Oh, you're doing gluten-free, right?
No, it's just that, I don't know. That stuff tastes nasty to me. Like, you can't eat apples. I can't eat. Organic bananas are 59 cents. Organic gala apples are $5. Well, we love apples. These are good. These are very good. I want some red ones. It's very busy in here. We need peanut butter, jelly. I should make my own jelly. I can teach. I can show you a recipe to make these. These are really good.
Alright. I don't know.
No?
I'm not
Okay.
gonna eat that, no.
I won't either. I don't really like celery.
None of us really will eat that. But Joe. I'll eat that.
Oh yeah, I'll eat that too. That's bad. Look, they put this stuff right across the street from the healthy food. What is up with that?
Oh, these look really good.
$1.39. We'll get some red potatoes. Florida red potatoes. $2.99.
No, these. We can like.
No. No.
I don't like red potatoes very much.
Meal prep. Sandwich bags. Freezer bags. Do we need this? I don't like that kind.
No, I don't either.
This kind? Cascade?
We don't need it, but we might as well get some.
Get Cascade.
It's better than the kind we have.
Yeah, this stuff is awful. We need parchment paper, don't we?
No, we have some. Dad bought some.
Okay. Do we need aluminum foil or plastic wrap?
We don't have plastic wrap, so we might want that. But what do we don't use plastic wrap though.
Here's all the beauty products. I tried this stuff. It's extremely heavily scented. I do not recommend this. This stuff is good. This is good. I've never used this before, but we do need some hairspray. But I really don't want to pay $5 for hairspray because I can get this at the Dollar Tree.
It's not the same kind.
Yeah, but I mean, to me, hairspray is hairspray.
Yeah.
Like this, you can get this at the Dollar Tree.
Yeah, easy. Like,
Deodorant, you can get at the Dollar Tree.
but it might not work the same.
What is this? Oh, these are those.
Washing machines.
Well, how much are they? It doesn't say. I don't need any, but
Gain.
no, that's this
That's for free.
Gain Scent.
Oh.
Tide, Downy. This is the toilet paper that I use. Nice and strong and soft at the same time. It's good quality and it's cheap. $5 for 12 rolls. So nuts are a healthy snack as long as you don't get too much salt and you don't eat too many of them because they are high in fat, but they're also high in protein. And they're high in calories too because 1 ounce, a fourth of a cup, is 160 calories and 14 grams of fat. So you gotta be really careful with nuts. You only need like a handful. And I mean like a small handful. These are good. I like these. These are really good. These are great for muscle building.
Oh, I don't like this one.
All this stuff here is bad. Bad, bad, bad.
Can I get banana chips?
It's good, but it's bad. Well, banana chips, a third of a cup
I love banana chips.
for 210 calories. But has 13 grams of fat. You might as well eat a candy bar.
Okay, well, then let's get these instead.
That's funny. Ooh, speaking of candy bar. Okay, let's read the label on this. 2 cookies, 160.
Calories.
2 cookies, 160 calories. 40 grams, 210 calories. 30 grams,
160.
160. See? This has
Even still.
more calories, but it has a little bit of calcium and a little bit of iron. See, these are tricky. It's like you think you're getting something healthy, but you're not. You might as well be eating cookies or a candy bar. Let's find something that's healthier. How about dried blueberries?
I don't like blueberries.
40 grams, 140 calories. No fat. No. You're better off just eating regular fresh berries. Yeah, trail mix is bad. I know people think trail mix is healthy, but it's really not. It's a ton of sugar and fat. It's good if you're going to be like jogging and you need some energy, but it's not a good snack for losing weight.
That's not horrible. It's all the carbs.
Okay, so 1 ounce, 7 grams of fat, 140 calories. Yeah, this one's actually not too bad. Rice crackers, peanuts, Japanese style peanuts, sesame sticks, honey roasted peanuts, wasabi peas, almonds, and chili crescents. Okay, this is good and spicy, but you can only get 1/4 of a cup.
Which is not a lot.
Yeah, which is not very much. Let's go look at the measuring cups. I want to get look at a measuring cup and see what 1/4 of a cup is. I know you know. Okay, let's talk about bagels. Bagels are healthy, right?
Maybe.
Wrong. Bagels are not healthy. 1 bagel is 240 calories, 425 milligrams of sodium, 53 carbs, and 5 grams of sugar for 1 bagel. Okay, 100 calories
Not bad.
for 1 roll, 1 gram of fat, way less sodium, way less sugars, and they also have protein. These are good. These are good. Let's buy those.
One?
Just one. I just
only
want to see
8.
how I like them.
Alright.
Oh my goodness.
Hey,
Oh.
a lot. Pretzel
Oh
buns?
man, I would love to have a pretzel bun. No, these are bad. The salt.
You're gonna get normal.
Woo! 760 milligrams for 1 bun. My goodness. Yeah, we gotta get out of this aisle. It's the bad aisle. But I do need to get your dad some bread. Yep.
Bread.
He likes the nutty grain bread. This one. The 12 grain.
This is the whole grain.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you were grabbing the 100% whole wheat.
No.
Okay.
Whole grain.
Well, here, we'll get 2 because I know how he is.
And we'll probably be eating this too because it's the same. It's actually better than the sandwich flats or whatever.
Yeah, it is. Eggs. You can never go wrong with eggs. Let's get like 4 dozen. Yep, 4 dozen. Our cart's looking good. Getting 1% low fat. 244. And the eggs, 99 cents. Oh my god, I'm so tired. It's so hot out there. I hate grocery shopping. It's like
Actually putting everything in the
it's 85 degrees outside and just muggy. Okay, so I got $333.99 worth of groceries. And our back door is still broken.
as you can see.
So we had to take everything and put it in the side door. So yeah, I'll put everything out for you guys and lay it out on the tables and let you guys see. $333.99 worth of Aldi groceries, and everything is healthy. I think we probably got a few things that weren't healthy that we had to have. Mostly Emily and Aaron, because they're not really on a diet. But yeah, I'm gonna drink this. Love this stuff.
I'm already drinking mine.
It's so good. Strawberry banana.
Yeah.
And I'll see you at the house.